guys a chance to apply the technique. You get to test it out on each other and see how it would actually work against somebody that is resisting or fighting back. Right? So we always start the class off with a quick warm-up.
Yeah.
And you can feel it on the back. You can feel the bone. Right? So that's what you have to line up.
What's
So her
Okay rin, ikaw, targunagod, yo,
you gotta stop the hand with your left hand. Stop the hand with your right hand.
yun on. Ikaw. I-push. Kini siya pull, niya siya push dito.
I think mas better if i-push ni mo kay din mo galing
Ang palm. Kay mo man ay ligon. Ligon.
Kani aka.
Maka naman. Ang palm ay gamitin.
Sige, ikaw daw.
Para ma-feel sa iya. Ana. Dagan. Pero ba si mo anak ka?
Are you okay? Let's go. So, first things first. Get control of the wrist.
Control.
Get control of the wrist. Like sometimes they grab your pants. Right? Like they're considered kind of you're not really sure.
Try to punch or like attack.
Now you have the pants. Now you gotta control the space. Move across. Make some more space.
Hinay lang hinay.
A little bit more. You're gonna. There you go. A little bit more. Now your left leg. Wait. Your left leg's gonna drop down. You're gonna pull her onto your leg. Yeah.
Okay na ka, ma'am.
Put the knee closer to the shoulder. So this part shoulder. So you're gonna use your right knee. It's gonna go towards the part shoulder. Knee. There you go. So from here, your left leg is gonna go flat. Flat, like lay down on the side. Turn your body. You gotta turn. Turn your body.
Turn.
You gotta turn this way.
Pilid.
Like your face, face me.
Ari ito bang, ma'am?
Turn all the way. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna pull her forward and then chop the leg. There you go.
Go.
That is it. Now do a push up.
Push up. Push up position. Babaw ka, ma'am.
Let go. So you let go.
Bang. Mo try ka kuan, ma'am, kay mo magsimo siya kulatan nimo. So mo escape ka. Turn ka dito. Ana sakyan siya. Kana head. Kani ilak ni siya diri. Kaya pwede na siya i-chinla pero pwede ra pod na para na diri di na siya kalihok. Chin. Bale.
Yeah, you're going to go. But yeah, but something's wrong.
Oras sila.
Yeah, grab her wrist.
Okay, op. Bali na po.
The only way for her to escape is to turn away. As long as you
Bang.
So from here, you're gonna lift up the head. And then go underneath the neck. Lift up the head with one arm, and then with your right hand, you're gonna go underneath the neck.
Please follow, like, and share my video.